Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how you can check the job calendar for an auditor, in which you can check and manage jobs, notes, and staff unavailabilities for an auditor. Let's see how this works. First, open the Nelone Project Management app from the app launcher. Open Job Calendar tab. Here it shows the current logged-in user's calendar view. You can search or select multiple auditors to check their calendar events. Simply search auditor names or select the auditors here. After selecting all the auditors, click on Apply. It will show all the selected auditors' calendar views. You can check the calendar for a specific date range. Select from date and to date. Click on Apply. It will display a calendar according to the selected from date and to date. To check the previous calendar, click on the previous. Here you can see the calendar view of the previous date range or week. Similarly, to check the next calendar, click on Next. Here you can see the calendar view of the next date range or week. Here you can see all the events on a specific date. There are 3 types of events and each type of event has a different color. Jobs have blue, notes have green and staff unavailabilities have red color. To check the job details, hover on the blue box of the job name. You can open the job details in the new tab by clicking on it. To add notes for an auditor, click on Add Note. Select user or group. Select date for which you want to add a note. By default, the note will be added for the user and date for which you have clicked the Add Note. Provide the body. Click on Save. It will save the note and show an added note in the green color box. To check the note details, hover on the green box of the note name. You can open the note preview by clicking on it. To add staff unavailability for an auditor, click on Add Staff Unavailability. Select auditor or group. Select from date and to date for which a staff is unavailable. By default, the unavailability will be added for the auditor and date for which you have clicked the Add Staff Unavailability. Provide unavailability category and body. Click on Save. It will save the staff unavailability and show it in the red color box. To check the staff unavailability details, hover on the red box of the staff unavailability name. You can open the staff unavailability preview by clicking on it. To see full details or events of a particular calendar day for the auditor, click on Show Full Details. It will show all the events of jobs, notes, and staff unavailabilities details which were assigned to the auditor for that day. You can edit or delete the notes and staff unavailabilities. Click on Edit to edit note. Update note detail. Click on Save. The note is updated successfully. Click on Delete to delete note. The confirmation will be displayed. Click OK. The note is deleted successfully. You can edit or delete the staff unavailabilities same as we have done for the notes. If the auditor has a number of jobs, notes, and staff unavailabilities for any particular day, then it will show only a few items and the rest will be shown as more count. You can click on More to check all the events for that day. Here, a total of 4 events are assigned to Abhishek for 9th June 2024, in which he has 1 job, 2 notes, and 1 staff unavailability. Click on More to check all these events for 9th June 2024. You can remove a specific auditor from the calendar view. Click on the cross icon here. The auditor is removed from the calendar view. Also, you can remove all the auditors from here. Click on the Remove All. All the auditors are removed from the calendar view. You can filter jobs, notes, or staff unavailabilities. Here, if you want to see only jobs, then set Show Jobs checkbox to True. Click on Apply. Only jobs are displayed in the calendar view. You can see all the auditors' calendar which comes under the current logged in user hierarchy. Click on this filter icon here. Set Show All Auditors to True. Click on Apply. Here you can see the calendar view of all the auditors under the hierarchy of current logged in user. Thank you for watching.